Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And now your account should be deleted, so now let's recover it by opening Google Play Store, for example, or any other app that requires you to sign in. And then click Sign in, and now you have to enter your email address and click Next. Now, as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And now click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.